So this is a 2006 Forester. I needed to replace the catalytic converter, so instead of doing that, I put a older style unequal length header on it and a 2004 STI exhaust system on it, just because that's what I had around, and it's been working really good. It actually adds a considerable amount of torque in between shifts, so when you pick up the next gear it doesn't just fall on its face like it usually does. So I'll start it up cold and you can enjoy the sound, because it's pretty unique. I didn't like it at first, but it's got some character to it, especially a cold start. When the idle kicks down a little bit, it really has a really nice boxy sound to it. Actually, it's already kind of kicked down a little bit. It's only about 23, 24 degrees right now. Who am I kidding? Not really. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out the next one. I'll show you the raw performance of this vehicle.